You know what we're gonna do today? Don't touch that. Do you know what we're gonna do today? What do you mean no? Honey, I told you what we were gonna do today. Do you want me to give you a hint? We're gonna need one of these. Do you remember now? What are we gonna do today? It's time for Daddy-Daughter PC build number 2 with my 3rd child.
Yeah.
We're gonna have fun today, boys and girls. You're gonna be my big helper today, and you're gonna choose all the parts we're gonna use for the computer. You think you can handle that? Can you try and make it so I can hear? What's that? So what do you want to start with? Do you want a big flashlight? Okay. Is that a heavy one? You need 2 hands. We are in for an adventure today, aren't we? The first thing we need to do is pick a case. What kind of a case do you want?
This one.
That is a box of t-shirts. Do you want one with RGB?
Yeah, please.
Okay, are you gonna help me lift it?
Yes.
Okay, you grab it. 2 hands, pull it down.
Got
Oh, is it stuck on you? Do you need help?
it. Yeah, please.
Okay, okay, hold on, let's go this way. Oh boy. Should we pick a power supply? Do you want a black one or a white one?
White one, please.
See, it's a good thing that you waited for me to tell you all the options, right? What brand of power supply do you want?
Can I have the white one, please?
I mean, honestly, it was a trick question. This video is brought to you guys by Seasonic, so we're gonna be using their Snow Silent 80+ Platinum 1050 watt power supply. This one's got a 7-year warranty, so it's guaranteed to last until around the time that this one starts getting angsty with me and doesn't wanna do daddy-daughter projects anymore, isn't that right? Oof. What? Are we stuck? Did we make it?
No thanks.
Now we can go get all the other stuff. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, are you gonna shine the light for me? Okay, like that? Good job. Do you think we can find all the stuff we need? No? So, what kind of CPU do you want? Okay, all right, I'll help you pick one. What do you want to do on the computer anyway? Why does a kid your age even need a computer? What are you gonna do with it?
Oh no.
I'm dying.
Let's start in there.
It's dark in there. Are you gonna help brighten it up for me?
Yeah.
Should we maybe make a computer that's good for listening to music?
Yeah.
All right, well, this is a little overkill, but a Ryzen 7 3700X. Does that look good?
Mm-hmm. I'll keep the flashlight on it.
So that we can see it all the time, right?
Yeah.
Let's go pick a motherboard. Okay.
It's getting bigger. The light was getting bigger. Where's Mom?
Are you okay with this one?
It's okay.
Let's drop it off. Can you do it? Good job. Now we've got to pick an SSD. Do you know what an SSD does? So few F's given. Hey, darling, are you keeping Brandon safe?
Yeah.
Looks like we can keep you after all.
My brother's gonna be proud of me.
Oh yeah, why?
Cause I built a computer.
Do you think you're gonna build a better computer than your brother or sister?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you gonna build the best one?
Yeah.
So you have 3 options, okay? Option number 1 is a SATA SSD.
Oh.
Option number 2 is an NVMe SSD.
Oh.
Option number 3, Optane.
Oh.
Which one do you think is the best?
Octane.
Yeah, you're right. It's a little more nuanced than that though. Optane is really great for data center applications, but on a desktop, it's not really necessary.
Oh.
How many more things do you think we need?
1,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5? Are you guessing? Do you want cooling with air or water?
Water.
You sure you want water cooling?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want an AIO water cooler or a custom water cooler?
A custom water cooler.
So Daddy wants a nice, fast, easy to install air cooler.
No thanks.
We're doing an AIO for sure. Do you think your computer should be able to run some games too?
Yeah, please. Yes.
Which one do you like better?
This.
Wow. We're going with the Radeon 7 today, ladies and gentlemen. All right, what else do we need? We need some memory.
Okay.
Do you like this one? Or do you like this one?
I like that one.
See, there is a market for Trident Z Royal. We gotta actually start building a computer. So what do you wanna start with? Wow, that's exactly what we should start with. Oh, we need an IO shield. Yep, hold on to that. And we're gonna need the motherboard. Can you lift that out? Okay, 2 hands, 2 hands. Okay, we're gonna be really gentle with the motherboard, okay? Yeah, oh, go gentle. So we always touch the motherboard only by the edges like this. Can you do that? Do you wanna do the SSD or the CPU?
CPU.
So there's a little golden triangle. Do you see the golden triangle right there?
Yeah.
Is it really small?
Yeah.
There, so gentle. Okay, ooh. Oh, wow. Good job. All the way down. Click it. Good job. Okay, do you think you can do this on your own?
Yes. I see a hole there.
Yeah, there's a hole there, but it actually goes in a different hole than that. So, man, if she manages to do this, that is some pretty good fine motor skills. Turn it, turn it. Yeah, you're so close. Turn, turn, turn. Yeah, good, keep turning. Wow. You are actually doing really well. Who would have thunk it? Wow. She is actually doing so much better than her sister. Can you see yourself in there?
Yeah.
Hi. Am I gone?
Yeah.
Am I back?
Yeah.
Hi. Hey. Ow, ow.
Myself.
So you gotta put it right in that little notch right there, okay? No, you hold it, you hold it. You can do it. Push hard. Oh, good job. The Snow Silent looks sweet. It's not quite the most efficient in their lineup. They also have 80 plus titanium power supplies. But hey, 80 plus platinum ain't bad either. Whoa. Ouch! Ouch! My mom taught me that game. Probably explains a lot. Is our power supply shiny enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sticker.
You know what? It actually comes with another sticker. Would you like to put the shiny sticker somewhere?
Yeah, please.
Wow, that is some strong adhesive. Wherever this goes, it is not coming off.
There.
Magnificent. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we couldn't do it. Maybe it's because you weren't helping. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Get that out of here. Yeah, take that, foam. Boop, 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 boop. All right. So guess what? We get to start putting stuff in here now. So how many light strips do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm gonna let you put them wherever you want. I'm not gonna change it. Excellent. Mm-hmm. You know, you can put them other places too. They're sticky. You really like putting them on the bottom there, don't you? Okay. So you don't have to move your hands. You just go like this. See that? Should we do this a faster way?
No thanks.
Okay, ready? Go ahead. Oh boy. Now, one thing that's really important for any computer build is cable management. There's no way to pass from the back of the motherboard tray here to the other side of the basement without going all the way over here around to the front. These aren't gonna reach. Under the motherboard here, and then down over here. That's our only real choice. Oh, interesting.
Careful with that door.
What's up, darling? What's a nice hoodie, right? LTTstore.com. Go for it. Whoa, good job. You know what I think we should, oh, thank you. You ready? Mm-hmm. Hey. We had a little snack and we've got some news. You wanna go to that birthday party, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you wanna put in next? We've got all our RGB wiring done. You're gonna have to decide fast because we don't have a lot of time.
Yeah.
Oh, and of course it's got the Intel bracket on it. That's gonna slow us down a little bit. Can you hold on to that? Okay, you keep that safe. What do you think? Can we cut some corners? Can we put fewer screws in?
Mm-hmm.
How many screws should we put into each fan?
7.
Do you think we could do half that amount? All right, here we go. Where's the hole? I can't find it.
The hole.
Come on. There we go, darling. Water cooling is installed. Do you want to put the power supply in?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Do you want to put it in so that we can see your sticker?
Yeah, please.
So we're gonna put it in like this so that it's sucking air in from the bottom of the case and exhausting it out the back, okay? Because there's a nice little filter in there. Okay, awesome. Are you gonna help me do the screws? And wait, Awesome, perfect. All right, now do you wanna do those cables?
Yes, please.
Okay, which ones do you think we need?
This.
Yes, we do need that. That's our power cable. What else do you think we need?
This.
8-pin for the CPU. We need that. Yep. Kid's a pro. 24-pin for the motherboard. You betcha. 4-pin floppy. Definitely not. Flomp. There we go. All right. Yeah. Now we can do that one. Do you know what a modular interface is?
No.
No. All right. Plug that right on there. Can you do it? Good job. That was it. Can you do another one? Wow. Only pretty big girls can do this. Do you think you can handle it? Are you a pretty big girl?
Yeah.
Okay. Push. Ooh, good pushing. Oh wow, she actually put the top in. Huh. Normally Corsair cases have a little holder in the middle. Oh, there it is. All right. Hey, is it in? Is it gonna stay in like that? Is it gonna wobble? Uh-oh, what do we need?
Something that doesn't wobble.
Okay, do you wanna come back on Monday?
Yeah, please.
Okay, darling. Oof! Ow! That's my nose. Ow! Did you have fun at that birthday party? Good, so do you remember what we were doing when we left off?
No.
That's okay, I'll help you. Okay, I'm gonna pass you through these cables and I want you to grab them. Now. Hey, did you get it? Okay, try again. Get it? Oh, go for it. Hey, it's gone. Go for it. Hey, you got it. What is that noise? Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Hey! There. Hey, do you remember the... All right, Okay, darling, do you want me to finish the computer or what? Do you want to put this one in?
Yep.
Okay. Do you think this maybe goes down there?
No.
Up here?
Mm-mm.
In there?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, maybe you are big enough to do it. Lean your body on it. Is it in? Hey, it clicked into place. There you go. Good job. Oh, ow. Should we go get a monitor and should we turn it on?
Uh-huh.
Where do you think that one goes? Wow, she even got the one on the graphics. Hey, good thinking. Good job. Okay, little lady. Do you think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
How do you know? Is it because you built it?
Yeah.
Can you press this button? What do you think?
Good.
Is it pretty?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like? You are gonna help me pick the different lighting effects we're gonna run, okay? What do you think of that?
Good.
What do you think of that?
Only 2.
What do you mean, only 2? Is that better?
Only 3.
Only 3. What do you think of that?
No.
What?
No.
What?
Nah. No. No.
Oh, okay. That one.
Nah.
Can you use your words nicely, though?
No thanks. No thanks. No.
Okay, do you like it now?
Yeah.
Can we close the side panel?
Yeah.
Okay. Literally the setting we started at. Everybody likes peels. Get a good grip on it. Good job. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Oh! Can you see yourself in there again?
Uh-huh.
What do we say?
Give me.
Oh no, we made a mistake. What should we go get?
Headphones.
Good thinking. Come here. Oh, only the finest will do. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. Can you help me carry this back over there?
Yeah.
Just got one hand on it. We've got ourselves a pair of Abyss Diana V2s. Now we just need to pick out some music to play. So when all your friends show you their Beats headphones, you tell them what?
What's up, you scrubs? I got Diane's bling 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 bling.
Do you want to see if they have Baby Shark on Tidal?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, they do. Okay, can I actually just listen to them, make sure they're not too loud? Last thing I want is you damaging your ears. I could leave her here for like literally an hour. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Do you like this song?
Yeah.
Was that totally worth it?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, can you do me a big favor?
Yeah.
Can you look at the camera and say, thank you, Seasonic?
Thank you, Sonic.
Seasonic sponsored this video with their awesome power supplies. They've got lots of different kinds of power supplies with long warranties, high efficiency ratings, modular interfaces, all kinds of good stuff. And our viewers can check them out at seasonic.com. We're gonna have that linked in the video description. Can you say, please click the link in the description?
Huh?
Can you say, click the link in the video description?
Click the link in the video description.
Good job. Can you say lttstore.com?
Yeah. LTTstore.com.